Beacon's main issue was exponentially expanding data, and that data need to be clean. So analysts devoting their 80% of time to cleaning the data rather than going into the inside, creating meaningful answers out of that data. As the data expanded exponentially, their previous tool was not able to cope up with that huge amount of data, and causing their analysts to frustrate over cleaning data for days and days. The data wrangling capabilities of Spotfire help them clean out that data, and the self-service interactive dashboard which Spotfire can create a very clear story which they can show to their customer, internal user, to actually answer very complex questions. I start doing bi-weekly knowledge transfers with their Spotfire users, so there will be an overall idea and a culture of collaboration, so they can help each other to move forward. And then internally, I started working with our CloudOps team to create a new upgrade plan so they can take advantage of Spotfire's new product release strategy, which we are releasing more frequently now. So new feature they can start using as soon as they are released. And also working with internal teams to make sure their instance status is very healthy. Because of Spotfire Cloud Enterprise, they don't have to worry about administration, IT stuff, which comes with huge deployments of such BI tools, which our internal CloudOps team take care of that. And since it's on cloud, it's always up 24/7 accessible from anywhere in the world. So they can just go to their customer, open their tabs or laptop and just start with it. So it was really a big advantage as a cloud for their specific use case.